Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. Now I want to tell you about English lesson that is about determiner. So what is the determiner is? So this is the simple explanation about the determiner. Determiner is like a little white before a noun. It help us know more about the noun, like how many was or even which and out of many nouns. For example, I have a laptop, I have a book, I have a table, and is a determiner that tells us the number of pencil, and the word I is indicate was pencil they are so. So determiners is like a bunch of clues that help us to understand more the noun in the sentence. So this is the kind of determinants that are article, demonstrative, descriptive, possessive, interrogative, quantifiers, and number, and different words. So the first is demonstrative determiners. So demonstrative determiner are used to indicate the noun or quantity objects that are means of being discussed. Determiners can also be used to indicate the relative distance between the nouns being referred to the speaker. So demonstrative determiner is to indicate the something nouns that is near or far. It's like this, that, this, and those. So, what the difference with this, that, this, and those? So the determiner of this is if the things is near from us. So just that is a singular object that is close to the person speaking. A singular object means just one thing. There are examples of using the term this is like this is the laptop that is from near from me. So this is the table, this is a TV, and like the other. And the next is that. That is if the thing is far but is singular. It's for the example is far but just singular is that is door, and that is the laptop, and yes. The next is the determiner of this. So this is used if the thing is multiple objects that are close to the person saying it. So for the example that the nails are short and this laptop are cool. So next is determiner of those. So those is used to describe multiple object or plural object that are far from us. The example for those is so those is many books there. So that is those is used if the lot of things, but that there are far. So this is the exam. So I want to asking some of you to answer. So first is this. So I want to ask some of you is Salman. Okay, Salman. So if you this guy is the POV and you see the airplane. So what you say using the demonstrative, like this, that, this, or those, or this. This repeat. So this is you for the example, and you see airplane. So what you say? That's or those or what? That's. Make the sentence. That's right. Okay. And next is this. So I want to ask some of you is Z. Z. So if this guy is your POV, so you tell this very with demonstrative like this, that, those, or this. So what you say, Z? So if you don't know, so if the thing is near from us, and there is a lot of things but near, so you have to say is this. So that if near. So next is this, Faris. So if this is you and you say with this, that, those, or this. So what do you say?
This.
So how the sentence?
This is a horse.
Yes. And the last, this. So I want to ask Rio. Okay. Okay. If you see this, you see like this picture. So what you say?
Those
Make the sentence.
hot air balloon in the sky.
Okay. And yes, how? So okay. Next, I want to talk about distributive. So what is the distributive? Distributive determiners are special words we use before nouns to help us talk about things one by one or as separate individuals in a group. They show how we are looking at each item individually within a bigger group. So first is each. Each is used when we want to emphasize that that's every member of a group shares the same characteristic or receive similar treatment. For the example is each student receive a gold star for their hard work, and this means that every student receive the same rewards for their effort. And the next is either. What is the either? Either is used when there are to choose and we have to select one of them. For the example is you can choose either cake for your birthday. This means there are two cake options and you need to pick one. So the next is neither. So neither is used when we want to say that both options are not relevant or not chosen. For the example is neither movie was interesting to me. This indicates that neither the first movie nor the second one caught my interest. So next is any. Any is used to refer to all members within a group or to indicate that a choice applies to all. So for the example of this is she can play any instrument and the orchestra. This means she has the ability to play all instruments in the orchestra. And now is all. All is used to indicate that the entire group is involved or shares the same characteristic. So for the example is all children must wear their uniform to school. This means every child has to wear a uniform when going to school. Oh, okay. So actually there is different them, but the time is up. So maybe that's for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.